G'day guys, it's Alex and
Ruben!
Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you some awesome platinum.
Something rare, something exclusive, something that we have never seen before, Alex.
No, we haven't seen it in person. I haven't even seen this listed anywhere before. It was quite a surprise and a very pleasant one at that. This is the 2022 Australian, let me get this straight, Australian white-bellied sea eagle, done by the Perth Mint and not available in the Australian markets until right now. So we sourced these from an overseas supplier, and we basically releasing them now. And I'll just show you, but it's my opinion, and I know I'm a platinum lover, but it's absolutely stunning.
They're a little bit hush-hushed for us here in Australia. They get released to the American market for their investment accounts, the IRAs, that kind of thing. Yep. And they're not released to the Australian collectible market. And so, you know, we just do not see them. Finding information about them can be quite difficult. We're actually not even sure of a total mintage on these guys, but they are very, very cool to see. We've teased them a little bit on our live streams over the last few weeks, so you may have known something like this was coming, but yeah, very, very cool to have them finally arrive.
Very, very cool to have them in hand. I mean, maybe we'll get some close-ups of these, but this is an absolutely stunning design. Like Rube said, we tried looking up the numbers. There's no mint, it only says limited mintage. Doesn't actually give the number, but it was available for the 401k rollover funds in the States and the IRAs. So who knows how many there were out there, but we've got some in. It's great fractional platinum. We haven't had fractional platinum. We haven't seen much fractional platinum around. So yeah, I'll definitely get it while you can.
Very cool. I don't like our chances of necessarily being able to follow up this one consistently as like a, you know, don't necessarily expect we'll get the 2023s or things like that, but we absolutely had to grab these the second we saw them available because, yeah, it's genuinely the kind of thing that is not available for sale typically in Australia.
That's
so
right.
we had to pounce.
I'm hoping this is not part of a series because I've been putting on a chase, but yeah, look, my opinion, but yeah, I absolutely love these. Great design, beautiful detail, and something very unique.
Very, very cool. Thank you very much, Alex. We will see you in the next one.
See ya.